Welcome viewers to Beautyistic. Let me start with a question that might sound familiar. Have you ever bought a mascara that promised sky-high length, only to end up with stiff, flaky lashes, or an eyebrow pencil that looked great in the store but vanished by lunchtime? That disappearing act is the pain point we're tackling. If you love honest beauty talk, take a second to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss a review. I've been testing the Maybelline Mascara and Eyebrow Definer Pencil 2 Count, a little duo that pairs a lengthening waterproof mascara with the Total Temptation Eyebrow Pencil. The mascara uses a volumizing formula infused with bamboo extract and tiny fibers designed to give long, full lashes without flaking or smudging. It comes with Maybelline's Flex Tower brush, a bendable wand meant to reach every lash from root to tip and create that lash extension effect. The brow pencil has a teardrop tip for shaping and filling, plus a spoolie brush for blending to a soft, natural finish. In real use, the mascara slid easily into my daily routine. The brush really does have some flex, so I could work slowly along the lash line without poking my eye. The texture felt lighter than many waterproof formulas I've tried, not wet and gloopy. After 2 coats, my lashes looked noticeably longer and fanned out, and through busy workdays, it didn't smudge onto my upper lids, even though I have slightly oily skin. Removing it at night took a proper eye makeup remover, which is typical for anything waterproof, so that's something to keep in mind. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. The eyebrow pencil was just as straightforward. The tip let me sketch the arch and then fill the sparse areas, and the spoolie blended the pigment so it looked like real hair instead of blocks of color. I wore it during chilly mornings and warmer afternoons, and the definition stayed put better than expected. The only weakness is that the teardrop point can feel a bit thick if you prefer ultra-fine micro-pencils for hair-like strokes. What I enjoyed most was the sensitive eye friendliness. The mascara is ophthalmologist and allergy tested, and I wore it with contact lenses without irritation. The formula remained smooth over several weeks of opening and closing, and the packaging felt sturdy, nothing fancy but dependable. Pros include the lightweight waterproof mascara that truly lengthens without flakes, the flexible extension brush, and a brow pencil that shapes quickly with natural blendability. Cons are the extra effort needed to remove the mascara and the slightly chunky brow tip for precision lovers. For value, this duo sits in the affordable drugstore range, and the price feels justified because you're getting a fiber-infused, waterproof formula plus a versatile brow tool from a brand known for eye makeup expertise. Compared with buying each item separately, the set saves a few dollars and guarantees the shades work together for a cohesive look. It performs similarly to higher-priced lengthening mascaras, though luxury brands may offer more elegant packaging and finer brow points. Cheaper alternatives would only make sense if you rarely need waterproof wear. If you do, this formula holds its ground, and I wouldn't downgrade. My final verdict is that the mascara lives up to its claims of length and volume while staying smudge resistant, and the eyebrow pencil delivers easy everyday definition. It's best suited to anyone wanting a no-fuss routine that survives real life, from early commutes to long evenings. Thank you for visiting Beautyistic and for watching all the way through. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.